Welcome back. Today we are going to learn loops. In loops, we are going to start with the 10th activity, nested loops in maze. So first, let's start with the first activity. In this one, I've already made the code. I'll help explain it. First, we need to move forward. So when we move forward, we come here. Then 2 times we need to move forward, get the nectar, then again move forward, then get the nectar. So we can put it inside a loop. As you can see, I have done that. Now let's see if it will work. Now in this exercise, we need to repeat the same thing 3 times. As first we move forward, then we go forward again, then get the nectar, then again move forward, then get the nectar, then turn right, then repeat the whole process again by going forward, then again moving forward, getting the nectar, then again moving forward, then getting the nectar, and again turning right. Then again moving forward and again moving forward and getting the nectar and moving forward and getting the nectar. You can make it easier by adding repeat loops. As you can see, I've already done that. Now let's see if this code will work. Hooray, we did it. Now after watching this video, which will give you an example of what we are going to be doing, you come to this. Now according to you, is this code correct? What will this code do? So according to me, I'll be adding my answer. But first, I would want you to do it yourself. Now, I think you're done with it by now. Why don't you pause the video, and if you're not done, then you can always unpause and then see. Now let's see. First we are going to move forward, then another forward, then getting the nectar, then moving forward, getting the nectar, then turning right. Then again, moving forward, then again moving. So this is the code I done in the second one. So the bee will move forward and get nectar only one time, which is false. The bee will get nectar only 2 units of nectar. The bee will get all the nectar. I think the answer is C. Let's see if it's correct. Yes, my answer was correct. Now, going to the next activity. In this one, we are going to be repeating it 3 times to move forward, getting the nectar, then turning right, and then repeating the same thing 4 times. Now let's see if this will work. This was one way to do it, but I can also add it like this. Let's see if this will also work. So both of the codes are working. Now in this one, what do we have to do?
Zombie hungry. Get the zombie to the sunflower using the fewest number of blocks possible.
Okay, so the smallest way to go to the sunflower is by taking this path. We did not want to get eaten, so we won't be going over here. Now, this time we only need to use 5 blocks. So we need to think very wisely. First, we need to move 1, 2, 3 times forward. Then turning towards our left. And then repeating the same thing 3 times.
Brains.
So we did it again. Now this time, we do not need to go right into the plant or it will eat us. So we'll have to take this path. First, how many times do we need to move forward? 1, 2, and 3. So first we are going to move 3 times forward. Then we need to turn towards our right side. Then again move 1, 2, 3 times forward. So this can be repeated twice. Then again we need to turn towards the right. Again 1, 2, 3. So this whole thing can be repeated 3 times, as even if we turn towards our right, nothing will happen.
Brains.
Now, this time we'll need to take this path. Now let's see. We can only use a repeat loop thrice. So first we move 1, 2, 3 times forward. Then turn towards our left. Then again move 3 times forward. And this time turn towards the right. Now this whole activity can be done twice. Looks like we have used
Brains.
enough number of blocks, as we were supposed to use 8 and we have used 8 blocks. Now going to the next one. This time we need to take this path and only use some repeat loops. So first, we'll need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times forward. After that, we need to turn towards our left. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this thing, I can add a repeat 2 times. And after that, we need to move 1. Oh, we have already done this. No, we haven't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this thing can be repeated 3 times. So after that, we need to move 1, 2, 3 times forward. Then this time we need to again turn towards our left. And again 1, 2, 3. So 3 times moving forward. And then repeating that 2 times, as we are going to be doing the same thing 2 times. So now I'll explain this, as this code can be a little bit complicated. So first we are going to be moving 5 times forward, then turning towards our left. Then we'll be moving repeating this another time by moving 5 times forward and then turning left again. Then again we move 5 times forward and turn left again. Now you're going to be moving 3 times forward, then turning left, and again be moving 3 times forward and then turning left. Now let's see if the code works.
Brains.
Hooray, we did it. Now, are you ready for a challenge? Let's do it. So now, this time, we need to move 3 times forward and collect nectar 12 times. Then we are going to be turning towards our right. We repeat the whole process 4 times. Oopsies, something went wrong. Now let's see. Now will it work? Hooray! This time it was successful. Now let's continue. This time we also have honey to collect. So first we are going to do 4 times move forward and 4 times collect nectar. Then after that 1 time move forward and 4 times make honey. Oopsies! We need to make nectar 5 times, not 4 times. Hooray! We did it! Now, doing this one. This time we need to make honey in all. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we move forward and make honey. Then we turn towards our right and then we turn towards our left and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can repeat this whole thing twice as we can only use 6 blocks and we are already done with them. Hooray! Now coming to the last exercise. Now looking at this code, we need to count how many times does the bee make honey. So first it moves, repeat 2 times, move forward, make honey, move forward, make honey, turn left, move forward, make honey, move forward, make honey, turn right. And after that, we need to repeat the whole thing 2 times. So that will be till here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think we make honey 8 times. Let's see. Hooray! We were correct. If you liked the video, please subscribe or give us a like. Bye!